Imagine an island where the sand feels like powdered sugar, the sunsets look like a watercolor painting, and the seafood is so fresh it's practically still swimming. Welcome to Phu Quoc, Vietnam's Pearl Island. Whether you're a luxury seeker, a foodie, or an adventure junkie, this island is evolving so fast that you need a solid plan to see the best of it. I've put together the ultimate 5-day itinerary that balances the must-see icons with those hidden gems only the locals know about. So pack your passports and let's explore how to spend the perfect 5 days in Phu Quoc. Day 1. Arrival and the golden hour. Your journey begins as you touch down at Phu Quoc International Airport. To start your trip on a high note, head straight to Long Beach to check into your resort. If you're looking for top-tier luxury, the Regent Phu Quoc or the whimsically designed JW Marriott Emerald Bay are the places to be. For something more boutique and intimate, Celinda Resort offers an incredible atmosphere right on the water. Once you've settled in, it's time for your first taste of the island. Grab a motorbike or a taxi and head to Duong Dong Town for a late lunch. You have to try bun cay. It's a stirred noodle soup where you actually mix your own dipping sauce. It's interactive, delicious, and a total Phu Quoc staple. As the sun begins to dip, make your way to Chuan Chuan Bistro and Sky Bar. It's perched on a hill overlooking the town and the ocean, giving you the best panoramic view of the sunset. Afterward, walk down to the Phu Quoc Night Market. The energy here is infectious. You'll see stalls piled high with sea urchins, king prawns, and those famous rolled ice creams. It's the perfect spot to graze your way through dinner. Day 2. The world's longest cable car in South Island adventure. Today is all about the South. We're starting big with the Han Tom cable car. This is officially the longest oversea cable car in the world, stretching almost 8 kilometers. The views from the cabin are absolutely jaw-dropping. You'll see the turquoise water dotted with colorful fishing boats and lush green islands. Gliding over the crystal-clear Gulf of Thailand provides a perspective of the archipelago that you simply cannot get from the ground. The cable car drops you at Sunworld Han Tom, an island nature park with its own water park, Aquatopia. You can spend the morning riding slides or just lounging on the private beach. In the afternoon, head back to the main island and make your way to Bai Sao, or Starfish Beach. The sand here is famous for being incredibly white and soft. While you're there, visit the Phu Quoc Pagoda. It's the largest temple on the island and sits right on the coast, offering a peaceful, spiritual moment with a stunning ocean backdrop. Finish your day with a seafood feast at Shin Chow back in town. Their herring salad is a local delicacy you can't miss. Day 3. Island hopping and hidden reefs. Day 3 is for the water lovers. I recommend booking a speedboat tour to the An Thoi archipelago. Most tours will take you to 4 islands: Mong Tai, Gam Gi, Mae Rut, and Dam Nagang. Spending a day disconnected from the mainland and surrounded by nothing but deep blue water is the ultimate way to recharge. This is where you'll find the best snorkeling. The coral reefs at Gam Gai are vibrant and full of life. Many of these tours now include drone photography and videography as part of the package, so you can get those epic, stranded on a desert island shots for your feed. After a full day of sun and sea, head to Sunset Senado Beach Club. It's famous for its quirky art installations on the beach, like the long-legged elephants and giant jellyfish, which look incredible against the setting sun. Make sure to check the description below for everything you'll need for the perfect trip, including links to all the resorts mentioned in this video and a free travel planner. It's completely free to help you organize your days without the stress, so definitely go grab that. Day 4. Northern Nature and the Venice of Vietnam. We've done the south, now we're heading north. Start your morning at the Phu Quoc Bee Farm or a traditional pepper farm. Phu Quoc is world-renowned for its peppercorns, and seeing the process while tasting the fresh spice is a great sensory experience. From there, drive further north to Reefs fishing village. This area feels much more rugged and authentic. You can walk along long wooden piers over the water and eat fresh seafood at floating restaurants. If the season is right, you'll see hundreds of red starfish in the shallow here. In the late afternoon, experience the Grand World Complex. It's designed to look like Venice, complete with canals and gondolas. It's a bit surreal, but the architecture is beautiful, and the free Essence of Vietnam show in the evening is a spectacular display of culture, lights, and water. Day 5. Relaxation and final views. On your final day, take it slow. Phu Quoc is, at its heart, a place to relax. Spend your morning at Ong Long Beach. It's much quieter than Long Beach and has a lovely, laid-back vibe with rocky coves and clear water. This is the perfect spot to just breathe in the ocean air and slow down before the reality of travel sets back in. For a long, leisurely lunch, head to the Spice House at Cassia Cottage or on the rocks at Mango Bay. Both offer incredible beachfront dining with a focus on fresh, organic ingredients. It's the perfect place to reflect on your trip. As your time on the island draws to a close, take one last walk along the shoreline to feel the sand between your toes and listen to the rhythmic pulse of the Gulf of Thailand. There's a specific kind of magic in the air here, a mix of salt, tropical blooms, and the lingering warmth of the afternoon sun that stays with you long after you've packed your bags. Leaving Phu Quoc always feels a bit like leaving a dream behind, but as you head toward the airport, you're not just carrying souvenirs. You're taking home a piece of that Pearl Island spirit and a refreshed perspective that only a place this beautiful can provide. Phu Quoc is an island that's changing every single day, but its natural beauty and incredible food remain constant. If you follow this itinerary, you're going to see the very best of what the Pearl Island has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell to get notified every time I release a new video. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.